Hey, I'm Dean Bullock, team manager for Wildcat Off-Road Racing. We're out here doing some tire testing this weekend in Bryce Canyon, Utah. We've been testing this new Rage Thunder against some of the other brands. It's a phenomenal tire, I can't believe. In our stop test, coming into a stop at 50 miles an hour, we were about 13 yards shorter stopping distance than the other tires we tested today. So I took it a little beyond that, and I came in, I added about 10 miles an hour, and we still ended up stopping at least 6 feet shorter than any of the other tires we tested today. The holding in the corners is phenomenal. I can go into the corners so much quicker. The car is stable, it holds in the corners. With the other brands of tires that we tested today, the car was sideways, the car was loose. I'm very impressed with the Rage Thunder tire. They've done a very well job making this tire for an off-road recreational vehicle. You know, it was really cool. Discount Tire supplied us with the tires for testing today. We're out here doing this because we're in the Works Racing Series, and corner speed and braking is very important in the sport that we're in, and the tire has done a phenomenal job for us. We're really excited about it, and hopefully we can get something together with Discount Tire and make this a team effort and go out and put some podiums down.
Hi, my name is Tara Hagel, and I'm a new member of Team Wildcat Racing. This is actually the car I will be racing in the Works Race Series. We've been out in Bryce Canyon this weekend doing some trail riding and tire testing, and boy, I can't wait to get out on the race course with this car and these tires because we are super impressed with how they're performing.